All right, you're in. Awesome. I'm so excited you decided to join us on the 90-day marketing challenge. That was a very great decision of you. So if you scroll right below this video, you'll see step 1. It's going to say go to the Builderall training area. All you have to do is click the button. It's going to go right to the Builderall training area. And that's where you just literally watch the first video, follow it step by step, get familiar with the platform Builderall, start building some websites. We have all kinds of tutorial videos and training on how to use the tools, along with actually how to promote Builderall and make money, recurring commissions from it. So it's going to be awesome. So step 2, follow the training. Step 3, take action and make commissions. So let's do this, guys. Welcome to the 90-day marketing challenge. Today is day 1 of the 90 days. Let's see how far you can get in the 90-day challenge. But let's just aim for a $2,000 per month income with Builderall. And I'll show you exactly how to do that when you click on the button below on step 1. Click here to go to the training. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using our earnings calculator, exactly how many sales you need to get to that $2,000 per month income or whatever your desired goal is. Okay, everyone's goal is going to be different. Maybe you only want a couple $100 a month, but since Builderall is a subscription product, you're going to keep getting commissions as long as people keep paying every month. And we're a hosting company, okay? So when people host their websites, they're not going to just use it for 1 month. They're going to use it for a long time. So if you get some sales, you're going to keep getting those sales over and over and over again. And it's a really awesome system. So go ahead and click the button below, go to the training area, follow the training, and take action and make commissions. I'll see you in there. I'm so excited you're with us today.
My name's Liam, I'm from Manchester in England, and I've made over $25,000 with Builderall.
Hey guys, Vinny here with partneredwithvinny.com, and I'm very excited for Builderall. I made over $263.70 in 48 hours using the Builderall platform.
Hi, I'm Rashid from the Netherlands, and I'm super excited because in the past 4 months I made $4,000 with Builderall.
Hey, Gene Hank is here with my daughter Emily. We're from New York City, and we're excited because within a couple of months we've been able to earn over $5,000, and all thanks to Builderall. I'll see you guys. Peace.
Hi from Italy. My name is Salvatore. I am so excited because in the last 5 months I have earned more than $9,000.
Hi there, my name is Barbie Figueroa from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm super excited because in the last 90 days, I've earned $2,800 with Builderall.
Hi guys, it's Marco from MV Solutions, and today I want to share my thoughts about Builderall and especially about the Builderall business opportunity. So, I've never earned money before online. I tried several things and yeah, I failed. I didn't earn money, I just burned my money, and it was hard. It was really hard. And then I found Builderall. And Builderall is an amazing platform where you can create your websites, your landing pages. You got included your email marketing, Facebook integration tools, designing tools, and much more. And I found it, and I within 1 day I just was flashed, and it's just an amazing platform. You definitely should give it a try. But the thing is, Builderall also offers the option and the opportunity to make money with Builderall. So when I go and tell a friend how amazing Builderall is, and he decides to give it a try, I earn money. So I'm helping people saving money, get all the things they need under one roof, and Builderall pays me for that. And this is just amazing. It's really amazing. So for me, the best thing also is that they provide a 2-tier commercial license. And this is an amazing opportunity. So if you're looking for an option, if you're looking for an opportunity, if you're looking for the one thing which allows you to really earn money, you just should give it a try. Give a try, give Builderall a try. I just can say I'm with them for a few months now, and I can see the progress, okay? They are every day developing and making things better. They are here, they are listening. You can reach the CEO himself. Oh my God, where you can do that. And I just can highly recommend you to try it for yourself. There's just one thing, okay? It's not a get rich overnight thing, okay? So you need to make a decision, and also more important, you need to take action. And if you're willing to do that, I can tell you, I can promise you, you are going to earn money, because the tool is amazing, the company is amazing, and yeah, you are amazing. So just give it a try, and I'm looking forward to see you on the other side. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
Over $40,000 in commissions generated by me in Builderall. Hello, my name is Alex Friedman, and I joined the Builderall platform in September 2017. And you know, I recognize that this platform not only as the best marketing platform available out there in the marketplace, but also as a great business opportunity. So what I did, guys, I just mailed my own mailing list, and I invited people to join the webinar that I hosted. And in the webinar, I just showed them the tool, I demonstrated the platform, and you know, within the first month, I was able to generate $29,000. And by today, total commissions earned on Builderall is over $14,000. And you know, guys, I will just share my screen with you so you can see my results. So here is the paid commissions. These commissions that I already received is $38,000 and $3,600 available for withdrawal. 1,000 on hold, what makes a total of over $14,000 in commissions. So you know, my results, of course, is my results, and it cannot come as a guarantee to your results, but I just showing it to you that you can see that things is possible when you have the right tools and the right opportunities. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye.